Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is a June 14, 42 variant, question number 2. And what say he questions? He says that A and B are 2 points 10 meter apart. The gap between two particles is how much? 2 places, not particle, 2 points, sorry, 2 points. The gap between 2 points is 10. So let's say the gap between A and B is 10. This is A and this point is B. So this is a 10 meter apart. Okay. And a particle P moves a straight line from rest. A particle P starts to move from rest at A. So P is here. This is a P particle. And starting from rest, so U is 0 and moving this way, according to question. He mentioned that, again repeat, particle P starts to move from rest at A and directly towards B with a constant acceleration 0. So what is acceleration for this particle is 0.5 meter per second square. Another particle Q is moving directly towards A with a constant speed 0.775 and passes through B at an instant when P starts to move. It means when P was starting to move this way, so Q particle is at B and going this way with a constant speed. Okay, and speed is constant, and that's constant speed is what? Constant speed is mentioned by him is 0.75. Like 0.75, 0.75, 0.75, 0.75. Maybe it's coming from behind, it's 0.75. When it crosses that B, at that time speed is 0.75 and throughout remain 0.75. Now, common sense, they will meet on the way. It means on the way they will meet. Look at, I'll show you. They will collide on the way somewhere. Okay. At collision, I can say that distance traveled by the A particle, distance traveled by the P particle, and distance traveled by the Q particle, and both are equals to 10. Like SP plus SQ is equal to 10. It is a very, very clear approach. So let's find both. So for P particle and for Q particle. For P particle, what's data mentioned clearly, and I want to find distance. So what is the formula? First equation of motion is V equal to U plus AT is not working here. S is equal to UT plus half AT square, it's working here. So S is equal to UT plus half AT square. I use it. So SP is a distance traveled by the particle P. U is 0. Acceleration is 0.5 and T square. Same approach. What is it for other particle? Because you know it very well, speed is constant. I will use this formula. Distance is equal to speed into time. This formula only applicable when speed is constant. Here speed is not constant. It is accelerating, speeding up. Okay. So speed is what here? Speed at this moment is 0.75 and time is T seconds. So it becomes now, I think, is very clear approach. This is a SQ. Now I'm putting in 1. So this value is going here and this value is going here. And that's it. So I got a half into, okay, what is a half into 0.5 is giving us 0.25. And point plus 0.75 and T is equals to what? 10. I hope so the point is very clear. This come from here and this other part is coming from here. So I hope so up till here, no confusion at all. Now I just bring it, apply quadratic formula plus 0.75 T minus 10 equal to 0. I apply quadratic formula and negative B and the plus and minus B square minus 4A into C and by 2A. I apply it here now. So let's see what answer comes. So A is 0.25 and then 0.75 is a B value and negative 10 is a C value. So my first time is coming 5 seconds and second time is coming negative 8 seconds. So is this ignore? Why ignore? Because time never negative. That is why ignore. So this is my answer for time. What is demanding for? He was asking for the time, and I got it. And second, asking find the speed of immediately after collision. Find a speed of p after collision. So find a speed of p. Sorry, 1 minute. Speed of p immediately before collision. So it means just before hitting, what is the speed of p at here? Just before hitting. So we know time is this one. So let's start for p. For p, u is 0. Time is 5 seconds. And acceleration is what? I think 0.25. Yeah, 0.5. 0.5. And what is my target to find out the speed? So you can v is equal to u plus 8. It works. U is 0. Acceleration is 0.5 into 5. And alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. So 2 point. So it is coming 2.5. So 0.5 into 5 give you 2.5. So 2.5 meter per second is my final answer. And I believe the concept is very clear.